Now, one of the things that we've been talking about this week is, of course, Onvo's car rolling off the production line and also the kind of technology that we are seeing coming from Onvo. But one of the things that we have to note is that I don't think NIO will make Onvo to have much better technology than NIO, because NIO remains that premium brand, and therefore it will maintain, or NIO will make sure that they maintain their premium status by making sure that the technology that of course you'll find on the NIO car, it will be a bit better or much better than the technology that of course it's on your Onvo car. Yes, I know some of the things that are on NIO, you'll find them on Onvo, which is something that of course it's pretty exciting to see. Onvo also bringing competition, or some serious competition, in the mass market segment, which is something that, like I said, it is pretty exciting. Now, I mean, today I was just browsing through the streets of social media, and I came across a video where the Mercedes owner was parked next to your NIO car and was complaining that he cannot go out the parking space, or he cannot even get inside his car because the NIO vehicle had parked really close in a way that he does not know how he will go in his car and drive out, and was looking for a NIO driver that parked the car very close. And he was very interested on also how the NIO user is going to take out that vehicle out of that tight spot the car is in. And I must say, on that video we got to see or got reminded about the NIO's technology, which is something that is so great. I mean, the NIO user finally came and saw, of course, the Mercedes guy as on screen complaining, but what he did, he just took out his NIO phone and just pressing a button, the NIO car came out by itself without him going inside the car, and the mirrors were folded, and immediately it comes out, the mirrors opened, and this was just so amazing to see. And it reminded me that NIO's technology, guys, is just out of this world. Whilst other users driving other companies might complain about maybe not having certain technology, with NIO cars, you know that tech-wise or technology-wise, NIO's cars are filled with so much technology that in a way that even other non-NIO users who are driving other brands, they envy the kind of technology that you find on NIO. I mean, you can have a look or on to that video. I'm sure you saw that when the NIO owner was driving away with his car, the Mercedes owner was just looking at the NIO car to say, wow, what a technology, what a car. This world, I know that there will be Onvo, or that we now have Onvo, which tech-wise is also pretty good, but I think, let's face it, I don't think it's everything, or NIO will make Onvo to have everything or all the technologies that you find on the NIO main brand, but rather they will make sure that in its competition or in its segment, the Onvo will have top-notch technology, but not as good as the NIO main brand, because that is the premium brand after all, and therefore it would make sense for NIO to deploy more features on their main brand than, of course, the Onvo brand, because if they deploy the same features on both cars, guess what? All NIO users or the NIO potential customers are going to buy the Onvo brand, because anyways you are buying cars with the same technology, which I don't think they will do that, which is why I think we are still going to see more technology on the NIO models than, of course, the Onvo models. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I think once again we get to see what NIO cars can do. I mean, as it stands right now, NIO has deployed sort of like a technology which allows you to go to a coffee shop while your car is performing battery swap for you, which is something that, once again, it is so amazing, because there is no charger at the moment that will be able to queue in for you, and when it's your turn to go charge your car at a charging station or at a certain charger, the car drives itself there and the charger plugs itself in. I've not seen that technology, but with NIO battery swapping station, it is possible that you can just leave your car close to a battery swapping station, grab a coffee or breakfast, and when you come back, you've got a battery with power over 90%. This is something that is possible onto NEO, and I think it is one of the reasons why I invest onto this company, why I remain long and strong, because the kind of technology that NEO is deploying, or the kind of technology that NEO has, it is so unique to NEO. And it is for that reason that some of the big companies like BYD, CATL, they want to also go the same route that NEO is going and have their own battery swapping station, which shows you that battery swapping stations works. Battery swapping station fascinates almost everyone in the fast growing EV industry or in the automaker globally, which is something that in the long term, this will result in NEO reaping some good rewards from the battery swapping stations which they are deploying. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about the video we just saw. To me, this was a reminder of why NEO, it is one of the top brands or top companies when it comes to this fast growing EV industry. I'm very happy and I'm excited. And I thought I should just give you this quick updates. I know share price wise, NEO, as I'm doing this video right now, NEO is up plus 2.6%, which is resulting into NEO trading at $3.94. NEO still trading very low, but looking at the kind of technology, looking at the kind of latest developments, I think you and me can agree on one thing, and that is NEO share price is set to also recover as NEO grows or continue growing fundamentally. There's no way that the market will just continue aggressively beating down NEO, but I think what we are going to see is the market also starting to reward NEO on some of the fundamentals that we are seeing. I mean, one of the things that we are seeing onto NEO institutional holders is that yes, there are a couple of them that are selling the NEO stock or that sold NEO in Q2, but there are a lot and lots of them that we are seeing them acquiring more shares, which is something that shows you that institutional investors are confident that blue sky is coming, and therefore I think this should be an encouragement to us to also see the blue sky which these institutional holders are also seeing. So I'm happy, I'm excited, and I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and please do make sure that you do your own due diligence before you buy NEO for the very first time, because let's face it, share price wise, this stock is it's very volatile, and therefore it requires you to do some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.